The Legend of the Crying Stone. Legenda batu menangis. Long ago, in a quiet village in Kalimantan, lived a humble mother and her beautiful daughter. The mother worked tirelessly every day to provide for them, while her daughter grew into a graceful young woman. But behind her beauty, she was spoiled and arrogant. Dahulu kala di sebuah desa yang tenang di Kalimantan, hiduplah seorang ibu yang sederhana dan putrinya yang cantik. Sang ibu bekerja tanpa lelah setiap hari untuk menafkahi mereka, sementara putrinya tumbuh menjadi wanita muda yang anggun. Namun, di balik kecantikannya, ia manja dan sombong. One day, the mother asked her daughter to accompany her to the market. They walked along a long dusty road. The mother carried a heavy basket of produce, while the daughter strolled proudly, refusing to help. Along the way, they met many villagers. When people asked, "Who is that old woman with you?" the daughter coldly replied, "She is just my servant." Suatu hari, sang ibu meminta putrinya untuk menemaninya ke pasar. Mereka berjalan menyusuri jalan panjang yang berdebu. Sang ibu membawa sekeranjang penuh sayur-sayuran, sementara putrinya berjalan dengan angkuh menolak untuk membantu. Di sepanjang jalan, mereka bertemu banyak penduduk desa. Ketika orang-orang bertanya, "Siapa perempuan tua yang bersamamu itu?" Putrinya dengan dingin menjawab, "Dia hanya pembantuku." The mother's heart shattered hearing those words. Still, she stayed silent and kept walking. But as the daughter repeated the hurtful lie again and again, the mother could no longer bear it. With tears streaming down her face, she prayed to God to teach her daughter a lesson. Hati sang ibu hancur mendengar kata-kata itu. Namun, ia tetap diam dan terus berjalan. Namun ketika putrinya terus mengulang kebohongan yang menyakitkan itu, sang ibu tak sanggup lagi. Dengan air mata berlinang, ia berdoa kepada Tuhan agar memberi putrinya pelajaran. Suddenly, dark clouds gathered and a strong wind blew. The ground beneath the daughter's feet hardened. Slowly, her body stiffened and turned to stone. She cried out for forgiveness, but it was too late. Her tears kept flowing, even she became a large rock by the roadside. That is why the stone is called the Crying Stone. Tiba-tiba awan gelap berkumpul dan angin kencang bertiup. Tanah di bawah kaki putrinya mengeras. Perlahan tubuhnya mengeras dan berubah menjadi batu. Ia berteriak minta ampun, tetapi sudah terlambat. Air matanya terus mengalir, bahkan saat ia berubah menjadi batu besar di pinggir jalan. Itulah sebabnya batu itu disebut batu menangis. Moral of the story: respect and love your parents. Arrogance and lies only lead to regret. Pesan moral: hormati dan sayangi orang tuamu. Kesombongan dan kebohongan hanya akan membawa penyesalan.